I am using the Tula with my microphone, so I have plugged it in to a cable here, which goes into my USB hub here, and the USB hub goes to my MacBook Pro that you see on the side here. Here's the external screen. So what I have up here on my screen here is the Tula FAQ, or the manual. So right now it is then quiet, or here we can see on occasion it will show some blinking here. This shows it's on, automatically plugging this into the USB hub as it's done here, turns it on, so it stays on. I will now record with ScreenFlow. So I have ScreenFlow open here. I will do configure recording and make sure that it records from the Tula as my microphone input, and it uses then the Dell screen here. So I will click record. It will record using the Tula microphone here. I'm just having it as default. So this screen, I am now recording with ScreenFlow. So I just started the recording, and what we're looking at here is the Tula manual. Here we're looking at the front and back. There's the red one, it's a record indicator. And here the green button is then the gain meter. So this will change depending on how high or how low it is. I think I almost turned it off, so that's probably why it's not showing any green color here now. We'll find out in a moment. And on the back we have the USB-C, and which is plugged into here. And there's a hard reset on the right, on the back, and a battery level indicator. So what I'm going to do now, I will open up the sound settings, go to sound settings, and as we see here, I've pressed, here's the gain button, the plus and minus, and these buttons here are somewhat similar to the buttons on this other side, because on the other side there's a volume plus minus, but on this side we have the on and off button, so we just need to make sure that we are on the correct side. So here the gain, when I press that, as we see on the screen here, it says its input volume is 0. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch between the recording on my cell phone and recording with ScreenFlow. So I'll press the gain one time and it goes up to like 22 or 33, something like that, 17. So press it again, and then you can see also the input level has gone up from 0, and now the input levels, there is a little bit input level, and I'll just kind of press again, and now it's in between in the middle here. It should be around 50%, and I will press the plus gain again, and now it's like up to 67. I'll press gain again, and now it's on, let's see, it's now on 83. So as you see, the bar here, input level here, is gone up, and this should also be visible in ScreenFlow in just a moment that we will see. So pressing this again, we see that even higher now is all the way on the top here. So I will just kind of turn this a little bit, because we'll look at the screen as well and see what we see. So here it's on the top, and going back into ScreenFlow and pressing stop. So right now I have doing another recording. This is, we see I've changed the gain earlier, and it gets more and more loud because I changed the gain level. So what I've done now, I have then put the gain on 50%. I'm not really sure where it should be. Maybe I could take it one step up, and we're just gonna hear how that will be. And I will do stop recording.